Another big electric vehicle merger, another big electric vehicle merger, another big SPAC, another big SPAC. The electrical vehicle is trending. What a year for the electrical vehicle. What a year for the electrical vehicle. Coming up. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to www.veuniverse.com. My name is Victor. On this channel, we are bringing you the best tips and strategies on how to grow your wealth. So if you want to grow your wealth, this is the channel to be. We talked about how to make money from the stock market. We talk about real estate. We talk about bonds investing, we talk about small businesses, and we talk about general online motors or general online money. And we also talk about technical concepts. So this is the channel to be. It's all about the Benjamin, show me the money. That's what we are all talking about. Another big electric vehicle about to merge. I mean, what is going on with the electric vehicle? Another big electrical vehicle about to merge. That's what we're going to discuss today. And this is similar to Nikola, Hyliion, Lordstown, X-Fleet. But before we proceed, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers who come in, day out to watch my video. I really do appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. If you're here for the first time, please do me a huge favor. Please pause and press on the red subscribe button. Yep, the one right there. When you press on it, it automatically changes from red to gray. That's an indication that you subscribed. And one last thing, when you look beside it, yep, there is a bell notification. When you press on that, it will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So again, thanks for coming. I really do appreciate it. You see, I create this video educational only. So due diligence must be taken anytime you want to invest. If you want to invest in the stock market, you're going to do your research. If you need questions or you have doubts, contact a financial planner or a financial analyst. Anytime you get into the stock market, you are going in, you are investing at your own risk. So it's better to either get the education and invest or seek financial advice when it comes to investment. So again, the big question, The big question today is a merger. It is a SPAC. We have Lightning eMOTORS merging with GigCapital3. What a year. What a year. So we're going to go in and we'll do some analysis and see if it is a good buy. I'm going to give some reason why I am buying. I will also show my portfolio, how many I have acquired so far. It's a news that just got into my desk, so I said, let me share it out before, it gets saturated. So let's put it out there. So right now, I'm right in front of the website of Lightning eMOTORS. And as you can see, we have the Lightning news. It is a big merge. It's a merge in the electric vehicle industry, a SPAC for that matter. So you have it, the news on their website here. Lightning eMOTORS to merge with the GigCapital3. So urban commercial zero emission vehicle company Lightning eMOTORS to list on New York Stock Exchange through merger with GigCapital3 Inc. So again, when you take a close look on what to expect is that they are, into medium duty vans ranging from class 3 to 7, delivery trucks. So they have new EV vehicles. They also do refurbishment, so you can take off your gasoline and replace it with an electric powertrain. And make no mistake, they are different from Hyliion, which is a powertrain, and also X-Fleet, which is hybrid or the hybrid plug-in. So this is the big news on the website. So now I'm gonna head over to the website of GIK Capital. So as you can see, similar thing, the same news. The news is everywhere. This is, to me, this is a company, it's like all in one. They also do charging, so they have charging station. They do a refurbishment, which is commercial fleet electrification. And they also have new vehicles. They also have great partnership, as you can see. They have a partnership with Amazon. They have partnership with Ford. So they pretty much convert any existing vehicle that you have sitting on your parking lot. They will take off completely the gasoline engine and replace it. So if you have Ford F-150 or 250, if you have Chevy, Silverado, same thing. They're gonna make all those changes. So we still have it here. So let's crank the numbers, because it's all about the Benjamin. It's all about the money. When you talk about SPAC, you know it's special purpose acquisition. So GigCapital3 is coming with chunk of money. That's why you see most SPAC always start around $10. So they already have a base resistance on moving forward because of all the money that came in as a result of the merger. So we have some fancy stuff here. The same urban commercial zero emission vehicle company, Lightning eMOTORS, to list on New York Stock Exchange through a merger with GIK Capital Inc. So let's scroll down. I want to crank some numbers. So it's zero emission, class 3 to 7. Let's go down. I want to check on the pro forma. Okay, so when we come down here, the value of the merge is approximately 823 million. So you see, the company is not just like an emerging IPO, it is a SPAC. So they're coming with chunk of money. That's why most SPAC behave that way. They always start around 10, moves up to 30, 40, 50 before the merge. And just so you know, the merge date is yet to be announced, but speculation shows that it will be in January 2021. So something to keep in mind. SPAC sometime, you know, they might get in. Once they already get a company, they have some period of time to go through it. But on the most part, they have already gone through the LOI, which is letter of intent. Once a letter of intent is executed, it means on the most part, the deal will be executed, a high probability. So this is the big news right here. Lightning eMOTORS going public with GIK Capital, listed on the New York Stock Exchange. It's another amazing news in the electrical vehicle industry, which is trending right now. One of the ways to mitigate loss, or one of the ways to benefit or maximize profit in the stock market, is pretty much to follow the trend. Follow the trend, you never get it wrong. So this is the good news. I just said let me share it with you guys, and then we'll know exactly how to move this forward. I'm gonna go big with, you know, the ticker symbol GIK. I will go big on it because I believe in the electric vehicle. It is trending. That's the future. Zero emission, sustainability, fuel savings. Those are all the benefits that will make me to buy this stock. So I know some people will be like, oh, Victor, it sounds so amazing, but how do I get into investing in the stock market? Don't worry, I got your back. That's why I created a course, an online course called Growing Wealth with Stock, which is on, you know, Thinkific website. It's a platform. It's just like Teachable or Udemy. You take an online course. It will provide you all the information about the positive approach on how to make money on the stock market, the defensive approach on how to avoid or mitigate, losing money in the stock market. I will drop the link in the description. You can check that out. Or equally, you can visit my website at www.veuniverse.com to have access of that course. Growing Well with Stocks, it's the ultimate stock market course, which is good. Also, some of my subscribers and some of my friends and family have been requesting and suggesting that I create a universal hub where I'll be putting information on stocks to consider buying, when to buy, when to sell. You can even check my watch list or even sometimes have a glance on my portfolio. So I responded by coming up with a Patreon group. So consider joining my Patreon. It gives you all this information. The new emerging SPACs, IPOs, when to consider buying a stock, fundamental analysis, or technical analysis, when to sell the stock, technical analysis. So all this information, you can get it when you join my Patreon group. I will drop a link in the description. As you can see, that's the Patreon right here. Go through it and go to any level that you pretty much feel comfortable getting into. So why don't we talk a little bit about Lightning eMOTORS, because that's the topic of today. That's the topic. So equally as X-Fleet, Lightning eMOTORS, they are leaders in commercial fleet electrification. And they are ranging from what? From medium duty vans right up to large motor coaches. They are within the sector from 3 to 7, class 3 to 7 delivery trucks. That's the industry that they predominantly covers. And what do? They are complete. They're producing new EV vehicles. They're doing what we call refurbishment, which means if you have an existing vehicle sitting in the parking lot and it's a gasoline engine and you're frustrated about it, you are not saving on energy, there is no green energy, zero emission, you can bring it into Lightning eMOTORS and they will completely take off the existing gasoline engine and replace it with an electric powertrain. In that case, it completely transforms the functionality to a complete electric car. So they already have a product in-house. They also have charging station. So this is like a 3-in-1. They have everything that entails or that the detail, anything that is required or needed in the electric vehicle industry, they are in one way or the other part of it. So make no mistake, they're different from Hyliion, just like, as it seems, Hyliion is in powertrain, and they also have, the hyper trucks coming up 2021. X-Fleet is hybrid or the hybrid plugins. But Lightning eMOTORS have additional services, charging station, complete refurbishment, or whatnot. So why don't we just pause and let's hear from Tim Reza, who is with Lightning eMOTORS, and let's just hear and see what the future holds. So let's listen to Tim.
Lightning eMOTORS specializes in commercial electric vehicles, from medium-duty vans all the way up to motor coaches. You'll see in our factory lots of customized vehicles, like shuttle buses with wheelchair lifts, like large Class 6 delivery trucks with refrigerators or with custom lifts on the back. Our ability to deliver a very wide variety of technologies, order sizes, configurations, and customizations in a very cost-effective manner to our customers makes us highly unique and specialized in this space. What you see in our factory is flexible lines both to build the powertrains and to assemble the electric vehicles. Our flexible lines allow us to adapt quickly to a wide variety of orders and a large quantity of orders as they come in. Not only is this facility the largest commercial electric vehicle production facility in the United States today, it also has capacity to continue to expand at a very fast rate. Sitting on a campus with over 1 million square feet today and an incredible labor pool in northern Colorado, we are committed to expanding at the fast pace that this market wants to take us. Lightning eMotors is the product leader today, with more medium-duty commercial electric vehicles on the road than any other OEM. This product leadership is not just a function of volume, but also a function of product quality and product features. We lead today, and we're committed to leading going forward.
Okay, so now that you've heard all the amazing technology, the amazing electrification, class 3 to 7 electric vehicles, why don't we talk and take a close look at, Lightning eMotor. What do they provide? Again, they will provide new electric vehicles, repowering of old vehicles to electric, and also charging facilities. Now, what's the benefit? It all sounds good, but what's the benefit? The benefit is that there is zero emission, sustainability, and most important, fuel savings. And everyone want to go green right now. You want to be environmental friendly. So why am I going big? Why am I buying into Lightning eMotors? First, they already have products. As you can see, vehicle is there, they do the refurbishment, and they have charging station. So there's no question about it. That tells you that this company is a couple of, level in, and they will start generating money right away. When you look at investors, what do investors look before getting into any deal? They want to see if there are leads, if money is coming in. Very important. So now they are already generating funds, which is a good thing. The second reason why I'm going in is because they already have great partners. As you can see from the video, they are already with Amazon. They're working with Ford, F-150, 250, Chevy Silverado. So they already have great partners. In business, when you have partners, that puts you an edge with your competitors, because the more partners you have, the more interaction, the more cash flow, So they have great partners, which is pretty good. Also, last but not the least, they are getting into the New York Stock Exchange as a SPAC. For those of you who are not familiar what SPAC is special purpose acquisition. So it is like a blank check company, an investment firm sitting somewhere with a chunk of money that they have raised. In this case, GIK Capital already raised a whopping $823 million to pump it into Lightning eMotors to get the business moving to the next level. And what does this mean? This means that they are different from an emerging company, which is just trying to get into the stock market to sell shares, to raise funds, to expand. They already have a capital. That's why on the most part, SPACs always start from $10, $11, because they already have a base point. So you can never get it wrong when it comes to you getting at the right time with SPAC. On the other hand, it's also still a little bit risky, because even though they have a handshake, which means they're going to match, which you call, when they already gone through what we call LOI, which is letter of intent, it shows that the probability for them merging is very high. But worst case scenario, if they don't match, if the shareholders have a meeting and they don't match, the share will still have that resistance of about $10. So you're not going to lose too much like an emerging company with little or no fund. So I decided to go bullish on Lightning eMotors because of all this reason. It's trending right now. I was very lucky to get in at the low. I was ready, I was lucky to jump in when the market was right. So if you can check on my screen, I bought it when it was $12.61. And immediately I bought it. After a couple of hours, what happened? It went up 0.71% with a positive return of $90. So I'm already making money. Equally, I also bought 1,000 of their warranty. The ticker symbol for their warranty is GIK.WS. You might want to check that also. Warranty is also an easy way to raise funds. If you cannot afford $10 share, you can go with warranty. They always start within $1.99, $2, $3. So that's also an option. But you have to be very careful with the warranty because it expires. Some have 5 years warranty. Those are things to take into consideration. Which brings us to the end of this video. So again, is it a good deal? When you look at it, GIK coming in, GIK Capital merging with Lightning eMOTORS. What do you think about the merge? Drop me a comment below. I would like to know. You find this video valuable, subscribe, share with your friends, comment below. Let's get this moving. Together we can grow our wealth. Until then, I will see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye now.